Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have just received an exciting package from our wonderful sponsor, Stonescart. Now, I haven't done an unboxing video for quite some time now, and so I'd love to share this whole experience with you all as we unveil Stonecart's new additions to their collection. And besides all that, we've got a very important update to share with you all, so please do stick around. So as you probably can tell, I've blocked everything because, I don't want to dox myself. So I actually have no idea what's in here because they just told me that they're going to send me a package. And so I was like, okay, cool. All right, let's see what's in here. Like I said, I have no idea what they've sent me. Because they just told me that they're going to be sending me some stones that are going to be in the new collection in their website. So I'm almost there. We're almost in. Okay, I just need to kind of snap this. All right. And we're in. Okay, cool. Now, ooh. What are these? I have no idea, but I think he actually put some names. Let's put them all out. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm kind of back. So these are the beautiful pair of Kyanites that they have sent me. I love the teal colors. Okay, so let's put these aside for now, and then let's open the bag of Labradorites. These are a bunch of some greens and some blues, a little bit of like an aqua color. This one is like a brown, like a copper tone. Let's just look at them. They are so pretty. You know how much I love Labradorites, mainly because it's so beautiful. I can't really explain why, but they are some of my favorites, apart from, of course, moonstones. This one is a copper tone Labradorite, and also this one has the same color scheme. Okay, there we go. Those are beautiful. And then of course you've got like the tealish, like aqua colors, more on like the greenish blue tones. These are just gorgeous. I really love them. I can't wait to actually work on these. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. This is like a bluish Labradorite. It's not as like a vivid blue, but it's more of like a bluish green, but more on the blue side. We are gonna move on, and we're gonna go over to our next bag, which is this one. And this is, I think, a big bunch of different stuff. I really don't know what they've sent me. So let's get into what is in the bag. And thankfully they are marked, so I know exactly what it's going to be called this time. So let's just put them here, and then let's see what they are. All right, let's get into this one. Okay, so some of these I already know what they are called because I do have them. So this one is an amethyst, but I believe this is also kind of mixed. I forgot what it's called actually, but this one is an amethyst. This is really cute. I think that this would look good as a pendant or even as a cuff bracelet. That would also be nice, but mainly for a pendant, of course, that would be gorgeous. So this is really cool. I'm gonna put this back here for now because I'm gonna have a hard time later on with the names if I make a mistake, So this one is a ruby fuchsite, I believe. That's what it's called here. It's a very interesting stone because it has that kind of like a watermelony color. It's very cute. So I don't think I have one of these in my collection yet. So this is really nice. I'll probably do something really interesting with this. I still don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, next we are gonna go over to this one. This one is an Amazonite. I do have one of these already. Like I do have like a couple of pieces of this, but I haven't actually used them. But it's a very interesting color. I love aqua colors like greenish blues, something that reminds me of the sea. I have others of this, like I said, but the quality and the polish of this is much better than the ones that I have. So I'm definitely going to be using this, and let me know, guys, what do you guys want to see me do with it? Okay, the next one we are going to be unboxing would be this white moss agate druzy. This reminds me of a lake or a river that's been frozen during winter. This is beautiful. It kind of matches my nails, by the way. I really like this. I really like this. Next, we are gonna go and open another agate, and this is called a banded agate. I could follow this line here. Oh, this is really nice. I'm gonna do something nice with this, I hope. You know, there's just those days wherein you just feel so inspired by what you see, and I would say this is one of those inspiring looking stones. So let's do that. And then we've got another agate, and this is called unique agate. I've never heard of this before. So this is another agate that kind of looks like the white moss agate that we saw earlier, but it has a little bit more of like beige and like sand color instead of a moss. This I think would look good in this form, like a very clean pendant, nothing like too swirly, just like a very angular style of pendant. So I really like this. I don't really work with a lot of agates, but I think I'm gonna start to because these are nice colors. Oh, and I think it actually goes well with the colors this year of 2025, which I think is like a mocha brown or mocha beige. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like that. So this is actually quite good. Okay, this is called an iron tiger's eye. Like I have tiger's eye, but I've never heard of an iron tiger's eye before. So I guess it has like a little bit of metallic stuff on them. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I love them. They would look good with copper, definitely. But it kind of has that sheen. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right like this part. So I think, oh my goodness, this looks good. This looks really nice. I would love to work with them soon. I love it. Okay, next we are gonna go over to, this is a gunmetal pyrite. So this is what I was talking about. So this part right here kind of looks like a pyrite. Actually, I think they're the same material, but this one has like these brown bands and this one does not. So this is more of like a cool tone stone, whereas that one is a warm and neutral tone. So they're kind of the same, but they're different in a sense. This one is actually quite interesting because I've seen pyrites before. I mean, I do have them, but I haven't seen one that has these patterns. Like it does have a little bit of like a quartz inside. So that is really awesome. Okay, the next one is, I don't know how to say this. Malijaro Jasper. I'm not sure about how to say it properly, but it is a Jasper. This looks like a creme brulee. That's really cute. So I've got a lot of really warm tones this time. Unlike the first batch that I got from Stonescart, the first one that I got, like they were more on greens and like really cool tones. But this time I got a lot of warm tones, which I really like because mainly also, if you look at me, I'm a very warm toned girl. So yeah. Okay, and the last one. We're gonna go with the last bag, which is a blue sandstone. And blue sandstones, actually, if you guys look at my Instagram account, one of the first stones that I worked with was with a blue sandstone because I had that for like years. I've had that pendant that I bought long way back. I figured, you know what, I'm going to remove the stone from that pendant and I'm going to just try to work with it because at that time I did not have any cabochons yet. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to disassemble this and reuse it for my own purpose. This brings me back memories. I really like sandstones, and specifically because I mean it looks like the night sky. It has like some sort of like glitters, as you can probably see. But mind you, sandstones like this, they are not natural from what I know. They are actually fabricated. Even if they are fabricated, they are really beautiful. So yeah, that is it. Those are all the stones that I got from Stonescart. So I'm gonna do a montage just in a bit. There you have it, guys. These are the stones that I've received from Stonescart.com. They are really beautiful, and I really look forward to making beautiful pieces with them. Oh, and by the way, in the introduction of this video, I said that we've got a special announcement to make. So here it is. Stonescart is back with a huge update on their website. After a long wait, they've just listed over 2,700 cabochons pairs, and even more exciting, they are now adding faceted gemstones as well. And here's the best part. Right now, they are offering 15% off on all their stones. So if you are on the hunt for top quality hand-picked gems, this is the best time to grab them. Just use the code MAJ15 at checkout. Plus, for the first time ever, they are offering free shipping on orders over $99. But hurry, this offer is only available for a limited time, so don't miss out. Head over to www.stonescart.com now and grab your gems before the deal expires. Remember, use the code MAJ15 to get 15% off of your purchase. And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and of course our wonderful sponsor Stonescart.com. They have been such a huge part of this channel for the past I would say 2 years, and they've been really generous to me and also my viewers. So again, thank you so much, Stonescart. And anyway, that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Happy wrapping. Bye.